Effective task management enables you to maximize efficiency and helps ensure your projects complete on time. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform provides a simple yet powerful app that facilitates your organization of tasks on a responsive Kanban board. Use this to easily create personal to-do lists as well as team tasks. Creating a task is simple. In the Collaborative Tasks app, click to create a task and give it a name. With the task open, add important details such as description, estimated finish date, and duration. And since this is seamlessly integrated with the platform, assigning and notifying users is automated. Simply search and select a person of interest. Similarly, add attachments by searching for them on the platform, or upload them directly from your device. By default, tasks are organized by status. Change the view to maturity or due date to gain a clear understanding of where your attention is most needed. In these different views, drag and drop tasks to automatically update their properties. Improve your personal and collaborative task management efforts with the Collaborative Tasks app on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform.